Everyone wants to get rich in crypto, but nobody is talking about staying rich. Quick gains, they're easy, but legacy wealth, that's a different game entirely. Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners cut through all the hype, cut through all the noise, and create real wealth in crypto using simple macro strategies and a conviction-based portfolio. After going through my own hard lessons in this market, I committed to doing things differently with discipline, clarity, and long-term purpose. Now, I'm building wealth the right way and helping others do the same, not chasing hype, but stewarding opportunity. If you're here to build something real and not just gamble, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about one of the most misunderstood topics in crypto: how to go from chasing quick gains, quick wins, to building generational wealth, long-term lasting wealth. The difference between those who get lucky once and those who actually change their generational tree. And if you want the full blueprint for building long-lasting generational crypto wealth, it's all laid out in my Crypto Wealth Playbook. Teach you how to create crypto wealth and not just quick profits. But for now, let's dive into today's core message. We're going through 4 massive shifts that will turn a short-term speculator into a long-term wealth builder. These are the exact shifts that I made after getting wrecked in my early journey in crypto. And honestly, they changed everything for me. Let's talk about the truth that nobody wants to admit. Most people who get big gains in crypto end up losing it before the next cycle. Why? Because they're not building real wealth. They're chasing dopamine. Here's what happens to most beginners. They catch one good run. They think they're a genius. They don't have a plan. They overexpose themselves to high-risk plays. They hold everything through the top. And then the bear market erases everything. And the hardest part, it doesn't matter how much they made. They didn't convert their gains into long-term assets. Here's the rule I wish I learned earlier. Wealth isn't what you make. It's what you keep and multiply. That's why most people start the cycle from zero again, over and over again. No foundation, no structure, just hype, emotion, and repeating the same mistakes. If your wealth can't survive a full crypto cycle, it's not real wealth. It's a temporary balance. Today, in today's lesson, I'm showing you how to fix that. We want to use crypto to build assets and not just chase profits. This is the mindset shift that changed everything for me. Crypto is a tool, not the goal. Crypto is the engine, but your real wealth gets built in the assets that you build around it. Here's what wealth builders do differently. Number 1, convert profits into long-term asset. This means cash flowing investments, dividends, real estate, passive income businesses, DeFi yield positions, long-term Bitcoin and ETH holdings. This way, quick gains turn into stable, durable wealth. Number 2, stop thinking in trades. Instead of thinking, how much can I make today? Instead, ask this: how do I take this temporary profit and turn it into permanent wealth? Number 3, develop systems, not impulses. Anyone can make a lucky trade. Only disciplined investors build systems that build compound results. And number 4, let crypto become a generational foundation. Crypto is the greatest asymmetric opportunity of our lifetime. But it becomes truly generational when you ladder out of the tops, move profit out into long-term holdings, lower your cost basis, reaccumulate DCA during the crashes. Use strategy instead of emotion. This is exactly what I teach my students as well in my Crypto Wealth Playbook. How to use crypto as a long-term wealth engine instead of a short-term lottery ticket. Let's talk about how macro cycles create long-term positioning. So let's get practical. If you want legacy wealth, you cannot depend on luck. You need timing, structure, and macro awareness. Crypto is a liquidity-driven market. So wealth builders master the macro cycle in crypto and position ourselves with the cycle and not against it. Every cycle has 4 predictable phases. Number 1, the depression and accumulation phase. Prices are down 70 to 90%. Retail disappears. This is where wealth builders enter quietly and start accumulating. Then number 2 is the growth and expansion phase. Here, Bitcoin leads. Smart money positions early and narratives begin forming. The third phase, this is Euphoria and alt season. Here, retail floods back in. Everyone thinks they're a genius. This is where speculation gets destroyed and wealth builders start laddering out. And then number 4, the fourth phase, distribution and collapse. Liquidity dries up. Rates increase. Narratives die. Wealth builders quietly start moving into stable assets and just wait. Wait on the sidelines. The key is not predicting the tops or the bottoms. The key is understanding and knowing where we are currently in the macro market cycle. As long as you know where we are when we are there, then you will be able to know what to be doing at that time. Long-term wealth builders do this: buy when it hurts, sell when it feels too good to be true. Stay patient during consolidation and don't chase hype during euphoric blow-offs. If you follow this rhythm, wealth stops becoming random and starts becoming mathematical. This is exactly how wealthy families have operated for generations. They don't chase noise, they follow the cycles. Here's the mindset shift from speculator to wealth builder. This could be the most important part of the entire video for you. If you don't shift your mindset, your results won't shift either. Here are 5 mindset shifts that will turn crypto into a generational opportunity. Number 1, delayed gratification. Quick gains feel good now. Wealth feels good forever. Number 2, detachment from peaks. At the top of the cycle, your portfolio is lying to you. It's inflated. It's not real until you secure it. Number 3, sell without emotion. Profit taking isn't losing money. It's securing destiny. And number 4, embrace boring habits. Consistent DCA, macro awareness, conviction research, adjusting allocations, and laddering into strength. This is how real wealth is built. And number 5, responsibility is greater than hype. Wealth builders ask this: how do I protect my future family? Speculators ask this: how do I turn $100 into $10,000 by Friday? One of these leads to legacy. The other leads to regret. And if you're watching my channel, you're here for legacy. If you want to use crypto to build something that lasts, something bigger than quick gains, then grab the Crypto Wealth Playbook. Go to cryptocolin.com or the link down below in the description. Inside, I will show you how to use macro cycles to position yourself for long-term wealth, how to avoid losing everything in the next bear market, how to structure your portfolio for stability and growth, how to build systems instead of hype, how to turn crypto profits into real generational assets. So if you found this helpful to help shift your mindset to creating wealth instead of chasing hype and quick gains, you know what to do. Make sure you smash that like button. Drop me a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are. If you're not yet subscribed, well, click subscribe, click the bell so you're notified when the next video is released. In fact, I've got another video right about here, a playlist that I believe you're going to find huge value in as well. Head on over there, check them out. I'll see you there, and bye for now.